Good morning from Maspalomas in Gran Canaria, in the southern part of Gran Canaria. What a beautiful morning it is here. So it's almost 8 o'clock and it's time for breakfast. I'm gonna go down and have breakfast, take it easy. I also need to talk to the receptionist downstairs to ask if it's possible to stay here for one more night. That's what the plan is, just to stay here, unwind myself, take it easy, and just explore the local area. It's a beautiful place. So let's go down and have breakfast. Oh, look at the sun. Look at the sun. Let's see if we can open this window. Yep, we can. Whew, look at this. Let's leave the window open a little bit. Go down for breakfast. Oh, this bird. The cuckoo. Okay, let's see what we have. I think we can just go and help ourselves on it. Okay, so we got coffee here as usual. Got something else. So we got microwave, we got fruits. That's definitely something we're gonna start with. Okay. Some cheese. Oh, that's very nice. Juice is nice, definitely. Got sweet stuff here. Maybe later on. Okay, they're also cooking something fresh, eggs, omelets. Yeah, boiled eggs, potatoes, milk, yogurt, juice, different types of juices, water, and they got some dry fruits, some cereal, and some bread. Okay, let's go and help ourselves. Tastes like mango, quite thick. Right, so yeah, it's time for breakfast. Oops. We'll need the fork, we'll need a spoon. I'm just recording myself. I booked a room for one night, but I would like to stay for one more night. That's okay?
Yes, if possible, you try the reservation. You have the reservation. You wait 40 minutes.
Sure, okay.
And come in here. Okay?
Great, thank you. Gracias. Thank you. Okay. That was easy peasy. All I have to do is to book it once again through booking.com. We can stay here, chill out, and do the booking. In the meantime, let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, where should we sit? We need to sit somewhere nice and... Let's see. How's the water like? Oh, the water is very nice. Let's do the booking. What a nice place. Okay, so I've rebooked the apartment and it's all done. That was quick. I can just relax and chill out now. I'm gonna go out and have a look at the bike. I hope everything is fine. I left out in the main street, just outside the this hotel. Yeah, we'll explore some local places of interest today, and if we have to go for a little ride, I don't really mind, but I'll stick around in the south. I have booked my ferry for Fuerteventura for tomorrow night. So the ferry would leave from Gran Canaria port, which is up in the north. So that's the way we came from yesterday, and it is going to take, I think the departure time is at 11, so I got to be there at 10, and which is a good time because I can crash just like I did the other night on the ferry for a night, and that would be a bit of saving for me as well. And I'll be in Fuerteventura the next morning, again about 6-7 o'clock. It says 5:30, but just like when I came here in Gran Canaria, the arrival time was 5:30, but we arrived at good about 6:30 to 7, so which was great. So the ferry is booked for my next island number 4. So I've got a full day today, I've got a full day tomorrow, and then we'll make our way back to the port tomorrow evening because I have got to be there at 10 p.m. 10 at night. So I think this is the perfect time for me, and once again when we arrive in Fuerteventura, we'll have a full day ahead of us, and we can go around, explore. I'm a little bit familiar with Fuerteventura because I've been there already, I think once or twice. So that would be an interesting place for us, and I can't wait. I'm looking forward to it because Fuerteventura is pretty flat and the landscape is completely different in there. So yeah, so that's what the plan is for for today and tomorrow. As I said, I'll stick around local today, and we'll try to explore as much as possible. And yeah, but for now, I just want to take it easy. I just want to do literally nothing and just take it easy, you know, relax, unwind. So stick around, and I'll see you very soon. Okay, so the room is sorted. It's 9:45. It's very early still. So let's go and have a look at the bike to see if our bike is fine. I left my riding boots on the bike. I thought I'm not gonna I just left them there. Yeah, the bike is it's just outside. As you can see, there's the hotel, Cádiz, and that's our bike, and everything looks good. Yeah, everything looks good. The boy needs a bit of shower, quick shower, but that's all right. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. Everything looks good. Okay. Look at this place with the palm trees. It's like a little circle, like a little park, and then as you walk to the other side, now you walk to the other side, and then you got this beach walk with the sea on your left, straight ahead. So let's see what's going on here. Looks like this. Should we go this way? Let's go this way. So just came out now because yeah, I'm just taking it easy. I've been doing some editing, some stuff, so I had a breakfast. By the time I got up, I managed to rebook the room for another night. What a beautiful place. So I managed to book another room and then by the time I got back to the room, it was already 10 o'clock. Then I didn't even realize it, because so I started downloading some stuff and final editing a couple of episodes, and I looked at the time. It was almost 2 o'clock. I thought, okay, I need to rush out because I don't want to get stuck inside. But it is an amazing place. Look at these trees. Look at these palm trees. Well, what a walk. What an amazing walk. Yeah. So no, I'm not gonna go anywhere for now. So I'll take it easy for the rest of the day. I had a very good night's sleep last night, very comfortable. Those sand dunes on the other side, we're gonna go there once again, try to soak it in as much as possible. And yeah, so it's just past 2 o'clock, 5 minutes past 2, 8 minutes past rather. And the winds are, I mean, it's not a clear blue sky today, but it's really warm. It's really, really warm. There are some patches of clouds, but overall it's just a nice place, a nice weather. Yeah, another day here, day number 2. I'll stay here tonight, and then I'll be checking out tomorrow morning, and we'll be heading up to the north. So there are a few places that we'll visit. So that was a place where I first came yesterday, if you remember that. I parked the box somewhere there and then walked around. That's that place. Maybe we can go there once again. Yeah, so so I'll check out tomorrow and then head to the north, ride all the way, try to visit at least 2 to 3 places, and then so once we've done that, then because as I said previously, booked the ferry already to Fuerteventura, and that is should set sail at 11 o'clock tomorrow night, not tonight, tomorrow night. And lots of music going on in there. So tomorrow night at 11, and it'll arrive Ooh, the winds have picked up. That looks like like a bar with all those elderly people. Oh, that's a nice song. This one sounds better.
Damit das Ziel bei bis zum Sommer in 14 Tagen. Und Sie verabschieden sich. Und es geht weiter mit einigen Wünschen, 2 Wünsche zu erfüllen.
Oh, what an exciting place. Very exciting to see all the people sitting around here. Majority of these people are, oh, another song going on. Okay, so majority of the people around here, they look pretty senior citizens. They are having very good time. Wow. As to keep them, going. Wow. Very nice. I like the music and the excitement and the passion people are showing. Okay, so you got all those souvenir shops. So that's where we were earlier on. We came all the way down. And now, watch people around, don't hit them. Look at this. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. really, really strong. Not a good time to be around the beach. It's so hot in here. The weather is I mean, the sun has come out finally. Not finally. But yeah, so apart from a couple of hours of walk down the beach this after late morning, I haven't done anything much. I've just been lying around doing some few bits, downloading some stuff and fixing few things here and there. But apart from that, just been sitting and enjoying the sun. It's been amazing here. I mean, it was literally a very kind of a lazy day for me today. So I think my body needed that. Tomorrow morning I'll try to check out early, and then we're gonna head into the mountains and see some interesting places. I've shortlisted a few places, and yeah, I'm sure we're gonna have a great time tomorrow. And then later in the afternoon, in the evening in fact, we'll hop on the ferry to our island number 4, Fuerteventura. Can't wait. You're gonna love that. Look at this. So nice. Can I stay here for a few more days? I can't afford. It's a shame I came all the way from to just go and sit around and go and have a dip in the pool. I just took a quick shower in that corner, and the guy came and he said that is a guy who is a lifeguard. He said he has to close, he has to go, so that's not a problem. I think I was a little bit late, should have come earlier, but that's what it is. It's not a problem, but at least I can lie on the side on these what's called it, sun lounges. That's very nice. So it's so nice and warm. Anyway, at least I came down. I tried. Okay, let's go out for a walk. Enjoy the second evening here in this amazing town. The sun is just about to set. Maybe we can make it to those sand dunes. I don't know if we could. I think let's do it. Let's see if we can make it. Let's have a look at the bike. Hopefully everything is fine. Yep, bike looks good. Everything looks alright. Okay. I'll really miss this place. Well, hopefully I'll be back here again at some point. The sun has just set. The wind is too strong, then the sand is blowing everywhere, so I'm gonna go up on the dunes now. But as you can see, just behind this, the sun has just set. Beautiful palm trees, and as you can see that barely anyone is here now. Let's go back to the hotel and call it a day. What an amazing place to call it a day. So thank you very much, everybody. It was great to have seen you today. I had plenty of rest, nothing much, no riding today. So look after yourself, and I'll see you in the morning with the ride. Peace.